Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day everyone. My number is 45. I am Farhana Yusabarat from Baes 2C. And now, I'm going to discuss my topic, which is equipment in playing volleyball. Volleyball equipment. The type of equipment that is needed for indoor volleyball can be broken down into two categories: equipment that is needed to set up the court and the equipment that a player needs for themselves. Sa paglalaro ng volleyball, mahalaga na mayroon kang tamang gamit upang ikaw ay makalaro ng maayos. Meron tayong 5 volleyball court equipment. Una na dyan ay ang bola. The ball is the single most important piece of equipment in the game. A good ball will alleviate pain caused by hitting it over the net or between teammates. Ang bola ang isa sa pinakamahalagang gamit sa paglalaro ng volleyball. Pag ang isang bola ay maganda ang quality, makakaiwas ka sa sakit, at kung ito ay nasa tamang pressure ng hangin, hindi ka nito masasaktan. So the next one is net and pole. The net divides the volleyball court into two halves. The height of the net varies based on the age of the player and the surface being played on. In indoor net is 7 feet 11 5/8 inches in height for men and 7 feet 4 and 1/8 inches for women. In addition, the nets and the posts from which they are hung, protective padding is required to surround these structures to ensure player safety in case of collusion. The third one is antenna. A volleyball antenna gives player and the referee a visual aid to judge if a ball is in play or out of bounds as it flies over the net. Ang antena ay mahalaga rin sa larong volleyball dahil dito makikita o matcha-judge ng isang referee kung ang bola ba ay nasa outside or nasa in. So the fourth one is referee stand. Providing the umpire with the best possible condition for observing and controlling the course of the match is a prior that we have also noticed, and that's why our offer includes standard and professional volleyball rep umpires has stand. Umpire stand ensure the right level of referee. Mahalaga rin ang referee stand o ang umpire stand sa larong volleyball kung saan pwedeng tumayo ang isang referee dahil pag nandito siya, nakatayo, makikita niya ng maayos yung mga mali or makikita niya dito yung mga violation ng isang player. Kung ito ba ay mali sa kanyang pag-receive o kung ano yung kanyang naging violation. So the last one is ball inflation pump. It is a very essential for sports like volleyball because it can be used when the ball is deflated and needs air. Mahalaga ang isang pambomba sa bawat laro na ginagamitan ng bola tulad ng volleyball dahil pag ang isang bola ay malambot, maaari kang mag-cause ng pain. So that's all. Thank you.